It is currently bonfire night. Listen to that. Yeah. We're hiring, by the way. Hang on. Yeah. Trying to get to fireworks. Oh, did you see that one then, guys? Pretty cool. Focus my camera there. Yeah, I'm showing my neighborhood, really. Do that. Knock on my address, because... Hang on, I'll wait for a little bit, actually. Guys, this is getting very bangy. And I don't care for you, for this. Woo! This is a miracle. It really is. Hang on. Woo! Light. Whoa! That scared me. Woo! That scared the lot out of me then. Wait, I can see something, guys. I don't know if it is. Thank you, guys.